listen to you.
Snoopy snoring?
Friend. You can't come to school, Snoopy. Now be a good dog and go
Okay.
home. No dogs allowed. I think I saw the new kid. Did you see that?
Okay.
Who do you suppose it will be? The new kid is coming. Oh, it's not the new kid. Hey, Charlie Brown. Good morning, Linus. What do you have there? It's my turn for
Okay.
show and tell today. This is a seaplane flown by Manfred von Richthofen. Who? The Red Baron. The most famous aviator during the Great War. It's not real, is it?
This one.
Yes, Miss Hawkmore. Sir. 2, no 3. Was I close? Class hasn't started yet, sir. What? The new kid is joining our class.
Hurry.
She doesn't look like a bully to me. Wow, she's pretty. She's not that pretty. Linus. She looked at me. Not the yearly standardized test again. Ma'am, will this test accurately reflect the knowledge we have gained here? Is it fair we, at this young age... Yes, ma'am. Thanks. Question 1. If you had 6 red tomatoes and... Oh, red.
Guess so. Here comes Snoopy again.
Come on, focus. First impressions are everything.
Careful, Snoopy.